Hey, what's up, wealth builders? So
this is stop number
9. It's stop number 9. Sorry. See, look, man, there's a lot of them.
Oh my goodness. Okay, stop number 9, and we are in Illinois.
Yeah, we stopped to get something to eat, so we are full and ready to give you guys another great tip. We had some Cracker Barrel, y'all. If you haven't had the little, what was it?
What you had?
Chicken fried turkey or something like that.
It wasn't. How's it chicken fried turkey?
Country fried turkey.
Yeah, I think it was something like that.
Fried
Country
turkey. I don't know,
turkey fried.
Chicken fried turkey.
It can't be chicken. It wasn't chicken. Okay, so. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get on with the question. For anybody that's just now seeing us, we're on our way back home from being out of town, being out in Colorado area.
Number 2.
For the last week, so we're now on our way back home. Kind of made it a road trip. We stopped in a couple of different places, so we decided on our way back that we were at every stop. Every time we stopped, we would go ahead and go live.
Yep.
Okay, for a few minutes
and answer a question.
So, question I have for you guys.
It's a long one.
I know, he gave me a lot to read. Let me just say that. Okay, so it is seeking advice for wholesaling. This is again on Reddit. Say, hey all, I recently got into wholesaling, and overall want to get past being stuck through the 9-to-5 loop in the long run. So far, I've been studying off of YouTube and also obtained a course or two with provided contracts through Udemy, because wholesaling and real estate in general is an extremely new field of knowledge to me. I seriously have absolutely no idea on how to start or do anything besides follow the videos and taking notes. One of my biggest concerns is how to move forward without running into legal problems down the road. Moving forward, what are some entry-level jobs posting you guys can recommend that are overall within the real estate field? I believe that it can help me get my feet wet and learn from an experienced colleague, agent, manager. I'm not picky with how much I will be getting paid or how difficult it may be. I'm just seeking advice on what job titles can help in preparing on how to wholesale and just function correctly within real estate. I appreciate you taking the time to read all of this. Thank you. So, it was a lot. It was a lot. There was a couple of things that I read into this. What do they call it? Analysis paralysis? Paralysis
by analysis.
Yes, paralysis by analysis. I really do feel that that's what's going on here, as they have gotten all this information and they have the right amount of knowledge that they've received to go ahead and move forward. But I feel
there's a failure to put out.
Yeah, so they're just not going out there and doing it.
Yeah. You gotta move. It's time to move. It's time to make moves.
Bought a couple of courses. You got contracts. Typically, if you got contracts and you've been on YouTube University, okay, you should by now have the know-how, hopefully, depending on the course you got, on how to move forward. You have the contracts. That's usually one thing that holds people up, which is a real reason to get held up on. But you have the contracts, and obviously if you went through a course or two or looked at YouTube, you would see that, hey, first step is you need to find a motivated seller. And there's, of course, different ways to do that. But I'm seeing that you have the knowledge, but you're scared to go ahead and jump in. Mm-hmm. You could, we talked a little bit before we came on about the question, but the reality is that you're looking to go start another 9-to-5, but your whole goal is to get out of the 9-to-5. Like, if you have a 9-to-5, are you going to quit your current 9-to-5 to go do another 9-to-5 to get paid a little bit of money and, you don't care about the money? I don't know. I think that there's no job that's going to show you how to wholesale and pay you a 9-to-5. Typically, if you're trying to do that, they'll usually split the deal with you, but not pay you an hourly fee to do wholesaling.
Yeah.
So usually it's going to be a commission-based type job. I mean, at best we talked about it would be like a cold caller, but that's honestly not going to teach you real estate or how to stay out. Really, it's just going to be, you have the contracts, read your laws, and get out there and start doing it. I mean, you're going to get hiccups throughout the way, and we've had hiccups. And I call them hiccups because they didn't stop anything. And we go back and we fix whatever that needs to be fixed. So I really the best experience you're going to get is getting out there and getting the experience and not waiting for someone to come in and pay you a 9-to-5 job.
Yep, and that's 100% true. Look, like Vonnie said, this person has gone through and they've already purchased a course or two, right? They have contracts. It's just time for you to make a move. It's time for you to like actually get out there and determine what you're gonna do. If you're confused on what your next step is, it means that you need to surround yourself with someone who can show you what the next steps are. If you don't have someone that can do that for you, you need to join our Facebook group, okay? Where we can help keep you accountable and help to push you along and show you those first few steps so you can go ahead and get this done. Look, we got a video over on our YouTube channel, KV Wealth Builders on YouTube, where I go over how to pick a market, right? We have some videos on there where we talk about how to find sellers, how to find buyers. At the end of the day, you can soak up all the information you want to, but like Vonnie said, if you're gonna suffer from paralysis by analysis, which means that you're analyzing, but you never do anything. You're stuck in that continuous rotation of, I'm gonna watch another video and then I'm gonna do something. Oh, I'm gonna watch another video so I can feel safe. Oh, I'm gonna talk to somebody about this so that I can feel safe about it. Look, you're gonna make a mistake.
And
it happens.
Every deal is so different. I mean, you're always gonna find something new in a deal that you haven't possibly experienced. And not with every deal, but some deals are gonna be special like that, where it takes a little more effort. It takes a little more knowledge. But the reality is that when you find a problem, you also find an answer.
Yep.
Okay, so it's not the end of the world. You learn as you go. You're not going to be the most proficient person and the best out of anything to just going right out there as a beginner. There's going to be things that you don't know, and as you go through it, you learn and you don't make that mistake again, or you learn and you were able to correct the mistake, or somebody was able to tell you. Sounds like you may need a little more guidance. You need a mentor, coaching, but definitely I would say
you don't need an entry-level job to get into real estate unless you're planning on being a realtor. I would like kind of let that go. I mean, if you need a job, I guess, then find a job in real estate. But if you're not looking for a job and you're really trying to wholesale, you need to get people on the phone. You need to either send out some postcards. You need to be out sending text messages, emails. You need to be figuring out how to pull a list. What area are you going to work in? Those are the things you need to answer, and then you just need to hit the ground and get rolling.
Get running. I mean, just get it done. I mean,
don't wait.
Don't
we
wait.
waited. We did the same thing. We went to seminars. I think we paid for. We went to a Rich Dad Poor Dad seminar. We went to a local meetup. We went to several of their
Yeah, it wasn't
meetups.
For a lack of knowledge, because at this point we had watched tons of videos.
Yeah.
We were already kind of had an idea what we need to do. We were just scared to pull the trigger, and it just got to a point where we said we just got to either we're going to do it or we're not going to do it. Yep. You know what I mean? And reality is that by doing it, we were able to learn through experience. Not every answer can be answered through a course or a program. Some things are just one-offs. So I would definitely say just get in there, use your integrity and be honest when you're talking to people. And I think that'll keep you out of most things anyways. Just don't be a snake.
Yep. And
you'll be just fine. Just be honest and keep it straightforward and real with people, and you'll be surprised where you can go. That is it. We're going to get back on the road, y'all, because we still got about 3 hours left. And who knows how many more stops.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Pretty sure we're going to be answering at least 2 more questions for you guys. But hey, we're enjoying it. We really are, and we hope that you guys are getting some benefit out of this. Like we said earlier, and Make sure you go check out the website. We got tons of great information over there. We're adding more stuff to it.
kvwealthbuilders.com.
Yep, and there's a link in this video if you're watching it on Facebook. If you're watching it on any other platform, YouTube, Reddit, or something like that, go join the Facebook group. Look, this gentleman right here, this question we just answered, look, he needs a mentor. He needs a mentor. He doesn't need a boss. He needs a mentor. He needs someone who can help guide him along the way and potentially partner with him. That mentors do that. But if you feel like you need a mentor, you need somebody to share some information with you, then definitely go join our Facebook group. Look, there's tons of more videos like this one and some other stuff. So, yeah, we got tons of information.
If you're on this group or not, either way, wherever you're seeing us, if you can go ahead and comment and let us know if you're interested in a mentor program. We are looking to start one possibly in the beginning of the year. But we need people to let us know that that's something that they would be interested in. So just go ahead and comment below and just let us know mentor coaching. If you put that in the comments, so we'll know if that people are interested.
And it's important that you guys let us know, because we're gonna take away our personal time to do this. So. The time that we're going to put into building this program for you guys, that's the reason why I want to know now, so that we can get it all the way put together. But it's going to take time from us, so that's time that we could be wholesaling and doing our thing. So, but we're happy to do it. We just need to know that you guys want us to do it and that you're going to get some benefit out of it.
Okay. So, kvwealthbuilders.com. Definitely check us out there. If you are not a part of the Wealth Builders group on Facebook, you definitely need to come and join us. And get your questions answered.
Hey, and if this answer helped you, let us know in the comments as well.
Okay, give us thumbs up and give us some hearts, and we'll see you at the next stop.